Right now at 6, a ruling on same-sex marriage is still up for interpretation. A federal judge today refused to stay her decision that declared the state's ban on gay marriage unconstitutional. Now, we have team coverage from all across Wisconsin. The judge says her ruling is status quo, but nobody seems to know exactly what that means.
And that is causing confusion for same-sex couples and county clerks all over the state.
Jermont Terry is live outside the federal courthouse in Madison.
He begins our team coverage. Jermont.
Carol and Mike, this fight about gay marriage has headed into this federal courthouse behind me. This is where a judge knocked down the ban. Now, today's hearing was unique because attorneys on both sides left this courthouse thinking they were doing the right thing. Inside the federal courthouse in Madison, there's a huge legal fight affecting gay couples across the state. After being partners for 10 years, this Madison couple finally feels accepted as they hold their marriage license. This license here means a lot to you.
Absolutely.
But like hundreds of gay couples across Wisconsin, people are wondering if these marriage licenses are even legal.
It's the natural result of a judge leaving this open and not making it clear in her order.
Julaine Appling with Wisconsin Family Action fought to get the gay marriage ban in 2006. She's floored by the actions of one federal judge.
Why does one judge get to do this? When did we, the people, become I, the judge?
As for the judge who knocked down the ban, in court today, she said, "I never said any county could go forth. They may have acted, but I didn't tell them to do so." But she wouldn't clarify her ruling, only saying county clerks should move forward as status quo, and that brings about the confusion. When you heard the judge say status quo, you took that to mean what?
Continue issuing marriage licenses, and that's what we're going to do.
The Dane County Clerk, Scott McDowell, understands the Attorney General wants an emergency stay, but until then...
The Attorney General can't tell me what to do, but a judge can tell me what to do. And if there is something that comes from a judge that tells me to stop, that's exactly what we'll do.
And we really have to have clarification one way or the other, even though I think the law is clear that if it hasn't been enjoined, that it's in full force and effect and nothing has changed. There are obviously county clerks who either disagree or are willing to turn a blind eye to that legal reality.
And tonight, the Attorney General is still working to get that emergency stay of the ban as those county clerks make their own interpretation of status quo. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse in Madison, Jermont Terry, today's TMJ4.